reservation thing works. We had to get a day use reservation on recreation.gov just because they're limiting the number of people in the park. Off we go.
We're climbing.
Tioga Pass. This is Ellery Lake, which is right on the side of the road, which is pretty awesome. We're kind of secretly looking for a place we can park the van tonight as well at the end of the day, but I think I found a place back there. G'day, how's it going?
Hi.
All good. Do you have a reservation?
We do, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, what do you need? There's that.
Yeah, but you have a reservation?
Yeah,
Is that the ID of the reservation holder?
it is, yeah.
You try to read it.
Yeah.
And was that an annual pass you were showing me?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
An annual pass is the only way to see the national parks because you get access to all 400 parks.
Oh, thank you.
You're helping the parks even more. It's actually really reasonable. It's only $80, but they should probably raise their price because it's just the best deal. Get a map. You need hand sanitizer?
Got some.
Alright,
We're
we
in.
made it. Woohoo!
We're in.
We made it, Gigi.
We're excited for that you can take your dog on, and that is Bridal Veil Fall. It's closed for construction at the moment. Are you pissed? I think she'll be alright. That would be a good one. Get away from the crowds a little bit compared to Lower Yosemite Fall, but that's what we're going to go do now, is go check out Lower Yosemite Falls. Definitely recommend you get to the valley. If you're with your dog, definitely get to the valley really early in the morning. Seeing as though the only trails that dogs can go on are paved, they can get really hot just in the sun all day. We're here literally, it's 12 noon, so we're going to hope that the Lower Yosemite Falls trail is mostly shaded because we don't want Alaska to burn her pads. Luckily the trail got nice and shaded even in the middle of the day, so I was just kind of getting past that first part. Alrighty, we're up at Glacier Point now, coming up here for a bit of a picnic and to cool off. The valley is just ridiculously hot. Yeah, there's some nice views out there. There's the van, gonna leave the AC running. If you want to know how to see a bear at Yosemite, you look for all the people gathering around on the side of the road, causing traffic jams. There's a little bear up through there. You're probably not going to be able to see it on the video. We had our own little bear attack of the potato chips that we left in the car. Not sure if you can see up there, but there's a bear going to town on a log. Alrighty, we are at the trailhead for Twalman Grove. I'm never going to know how to pronounce Twalman, but Twalman Grove, which is a grove of giant sequoias. Because it's a road, dogs are allowed. It's one of the few actual trails that dogs are allowed on. You just can't go on any of the side kind of trails. So we got here and we saw a few sequoias on the way down, which was super pretty. But one of the things I think it said is you can't do any of the side loops. This road apparently goes for 8 miles, but I think it's just saying careful of the bark, because the bark's all fallen off that tree right there. So we're gonna just go for it. We're just gonna go a little further, because it's all uphill on the way back. Whoa, the bark! We're at Olmsted Point, and the weather is looking, I'm gonna say a little
precarious.
A little ominous,
Precarious.
but I think we'll be all right. It's quite pretty over here. Well, Yosemite is over, and we are heading back down to Yoga Pass. We avoided any hail or lightning. We're going to go try and find ourselves a place to sleep. And yeah, it was a big day. We don't really want to spend too much time in Yosemite just because of the crowds and the COVID, so that'll do. A little Yosemite taster.